Structural biology is a way for us to visualize things that are too small to normally be able to see with even a microscope. And why this is important is that we want to be able to use those insights to design new strategies to block pathogenic processes.
The consortium really began with, this major big, QCRG effort to characterize all the proteins in the human cells, which the virus interacts with, right? The virus comes into cells and hijacks all these processes to its own devices. And so we got a list of parts, but we didn't really know how they look, how can we inhibit, how can we interrupt those. And so no single lab could, lift this weight. The only way to do it was to really sort of unite the whole structural biology community and say, let's attack this as a big group. Let's all work together.